Some of those require immediate hospitalization. So, yun na, marunong ka din sa splinatol.
Yes, sir.
Kaya, siyempre, ang mga injured, kailangan mo ng healthcare. Tapos, ang mga dapat i-evacuate.
Evacuate.
For example, kailangan daw doon, for example, ang mga 50-50 na, so kailangan talaga ng hospitalization. So, kailangan manira, dahil na.
Kailangan
Oh. Amo ito nga, care for injured. Katapos nera magwatagan ng first aid, ikakanto na kuan. Kanto na halat ha.
Then,
Siya na nga.
next is to make arrangement for the questioning of the witness, but in the meantime, giving their names and addresses and jotting down the plate numbers of the vehicle or vehicles at the scene as leads to the additional information that will be needed later on. So, din yun naman, as an investigator, siyempre,
Question.
pero may mga question ka nga itukuhan para
To gather informations.
para maka-gather ka mga information ako na ang mga natabo nga dahil ng accident. Then, witness naman nga imo kukuha ang mga information, dapat kukuha manera siyang aran, ang address, then ang plate number or ang vehicles nga kuha niya. Kay para kung halimbawa kailangan ng witness.
Additional information ko no?
Na witness. So, madali
Locate.
ma-locate kung hindi hain niya nga lugar sa dito. Then, let's proceed third stage. Third stage naman when the situation of the accident scene is already under control. So, una is conduct preliminary questioning of the driver or drivers to find out. So, una is who was or were actually driving the vehicle or vehicles involved in traffic.
Travel plans.
Traffic.
Travel.
Ano to?
Travel plans.
Travel plan of each. So, din naman
Self-explanatory.
So din naman i-find out mo kung sino ang kuan, kung who was the driver and kung pakain ba nila kuan travel
plano.
Sorry doon din ang banduha is signs of nervousness, confusion or intoxication and other circumstances related to the accident. So din sa investigator bitaw ang mga posibleng
Rason.
rason
nga ni.
Kaya kung ano ba na aksidente na kay
Kaurogan ito mga tika-turog.
kaurugan, intoxication, tapos kaurugan, labi yan napakainom.
Oo.
Saan intoxication? So,
Oo, liwat.
amin lang dita. So,
Number one
kung driver ka, dapat, kung hubog ka, ayaw kung pag-ano. Ayaw kung pag-driving. Upal ka ba?
Andito mo may
Dapat, kuhan, dapat, una ako magkaroon ng safety mo. Kaya sa labay, ginabuhin tao, Then, next, may sumpay pa ito. Para ko darata kay Madadam. So, next is
fourth stage na.
Next is having identified and questioned the driver or drivers to question witness, especially bystanders who are anxious to leave. So, next naman, ang sabi nila having identified and questioned the drivers to the question witness. Kung magagather ka ginapon mga information, drivers or ang mga
Bystanders.
mga bystanders nga naka-witness ito nga accident. Then, if necessary, to get signed statement from those who may later be difficult to locate. Then, to conduct more detailed questioning of the drivers to be established. Step-by-step account of what the drivers saw and did. So, yun. Then, particulars of driver's license, motor vehicle registration, plate numbers included, identities, to make a close observation of the accommodation of the vehicle or vehicles. Then to photograph, measure, mark,
Vehicles.
tire marks at location of the vehicle or vehicles, to measure for the purpose of fixing the location of other marks, and to route including vehicle final position, and to record the place where the injured persons were or are to be taken. Then to report, if possible, radio the situation of the headquarters if radio communication is not available by other feasible means. So, dili naman din niya third stage na mapansin man din ba natin kumbaga kung na
Under control.
Under control na ang accident, kumbaga ang mga kuan nila ang mga nag-gather nga
Information.
mga information, kumbaga an siya na nagkukuan kaplastar na para kuan tawag ini
Baga siya ng missing piece.
yung para paano ito niya control na yan yung sa mga investigator. Then per stage naman with the gathering of urgent data about the accident. So una having decided that there is enough evidence of the offense committed to warrant arrest, to make the arrest or to issue either a traffic citation ticket or temporary operations permit application. So dila naman so din naman third stage ang karang second hearing nga habit decided to other enough evidence one arrest the drivers if there's may the proof of an offense or give a traffic citation ticket or TCT or temporary operations permit if needed. Then if no arrest is
Needed.
one necessary, let the drivers lagadaon ba kung maraming kuan dapat maraming kuan. If needed, ensure the drivers exchange insurance details. Then next is an arrest is to be made to dismiss the drivers. The situation calls for it to get the drivers involved to exchange insurance fees. And to get additional photographs or make additional sketches or measurements if necessary, and especially if the location of the accident scene will be difficult or relevant. So kung kinahanglan i-photograph or i-sketch at kuan ang pinangyarihan or an aksidente, himuon if necessary, pero kung di rin naman no need na, then kinahanglan nga i-photograph or i-sketch or i-measure ang ilang nga aksidente nga nahimo. Labi na kung ang pinangyarihan ng aksidente is difficult or makore ba?
Kanina la.
Then,
Kanina.
to get additional statement from remaining witnesses present if needed. Then, to clean up the accident or site or arrange to have this done. Then, last is to report to headquarters. Then, mali naman kita
Fifth stage.
when work at the accident site
Is
finished. Una is notify relatives of the dead or injured, including the owner or owners of the vehicle or vehicles involved. Then inform other agencies or conditions that require attention. Examples, if electric or telephone poles have been damaged due to the traffic accident,
To notify
the Meralco and the community require and complete the traffic accident investigation report and such other administrative or operations report as are necessary for submission or approval. Then if an offense has been committed, to refer the
appropriate
case
case
to the proper
to the
fiscal's office. Then last is if driver's license have been confiscated under circumstances that do not warrant referral of any case to the proper fiscal's office, in which case the confiscated driver's license are not material as evidence when the period required under
Republic
RA 4136 or the land transportation and the traffic. Iniunahan na ang report. Amoy ni kinahanglan na sa mga investigator para para ma-solve ang mga accident nga natatabo na sa mga area or dito din for example din niya SG nga highway. So amoy yan mga dapat limuon sa mga investigator para ma-solve
procedures.
Then inshallah to sir.